Residents has been staying here. Tourists come and go. The residents basically should not be disturbed by the tourists. They don't mind tourists basically coming here. The tourists basically should behave themselves. That is very important. So that I can put it in forth to our officers, and then after we'll have a meeting with them, and we will see that this issue is sorted. And I assure them that this issue will be sorted. I had a discussion with the SDA device MPI, and I told them I don't see them on the field at all. That was my first complaint to them. Second thing, what is their first complaint is the moment you tell Baba police we don't have the staff. इतले आता फाटल्या दिसांनी 900 पुलीस गेल्लेले आहा पूण गेले हूंय the rent a bike has become a problem. I am telling you, see, I think that as far as the taxi owners are concerned, they should realize that this thing that rent a bike are the problem which creates cuts into their business. Now, if you see a rent a bike, husband, wife, two children, three children, who benefits out of this is a traffic police.
मजगती टीटीए जे म्हणटा चडशे पर्यटक हेर राज्यांतल्यान येतात ते येवनात जाल्यार थळाव्या वेवसाय परिणाम जातलो.
ते कितें तरी इफेक्ट थोडे जातले पूण म्हाका दिसता ट्युरिस्ट सद्या तरी येतले बट ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ टायम हे इशू पोत्ते रिपीट जाले. दोनूय सायडीन प्रॉब्लेम आहा. ओवर टुरिजमाचो प्रॉब्लेम आहा आनी ट्युरिस्टूय येना जाल्यार थिंगासर खूब आहा ते बिजनसांक अफेक्ट जातले. हांव ते म्हणटा चड करून त्या बिजनसान आहा ते हांव म्हणटालो 70-75% लोकल्स आहा त्या बिजनसान. तुमी सांगा आनी ते कितें ती फुल्ली रेजिडेन्शियल एरिया केन्नाच साकून ना. तूं पयलें साकून पळय 70 थिंगासर तुजे टुरिजम हॅज हेल्प्ड अस टू सस्टेन अ लॉट ऑफ दॅट हेरिटेज ऑल्सो वीच वी हॅव टू एक्नॉलेज.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.